Your ideas will never work, my dear fellow. Why don't you go and get a proper job?
You'll never get anywhere in life. You're going straight to hell.
Nin explains, believe in yourself when no one else does. Everyone has self-doubts, and it's human nature to doubt yourself, because doubt protects us from harm. But some people let it get to them more than others. This guy says I shouldn't be making YouTube videos. And it's a lonely feeling when people don't believe in you anymore, especially the people you're doing it for. Hi honey, I finally got that job promotion and... What do you mean dumping me? When you believe that you can achieve some goal or some dream, you'll be tested not only by yourself, but by others around you. There'll be people who will tell you that they don't like your ideas. There'll be people who will tell you that it'll never work. There'll be people around you that want to tear you down and do nothing but wreck your dreams. Some people do it intentionally, some people don't. There's nothing wrong with my business idea. There's plenty of women who want to use lipsticks in the shape of a penis. Whether it's a career choice or a goal that you want to achieve, you'll shortly find out that the world is quick to say no. No, 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 no. And then pretty soon, you actually start to believe that they're right. You start to think that you actually don't have a chance. You start to give in, and then you start to quit. And then you watch as someone else has the same idea as you or does what you wanted to do. And then you say to yourself, that should have been me. Well, let me tell you something. The critics didn't beat you. You beat you. And why is that? Because you let them win. But how do I believe in myself? Number one, feel. You have to feel from the bottom of your heart and throughout all of your nerves that whatever you set out to do will work. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else is going to. Start by feeling that feeling of winning. Start by feeling success. You need to be able to feel it in your mind first before you achieve it in physical reality. Number two, mental stability. It's hard to believe in yourself when you're sick, stressed, worried, or nervous all the time. Sort out your foibles, watch some of my videos, and sort that stuff out. Success always goes to the mentally strong. Number three, never accept the limitations of others. People will tell you that it's never going to work. Give up, don't even try. Never accept the limitations of other people. What do you know? You didn't even give it a try. Even if you tried and failed, at least you tried, unlike most of the critics you'll come across. Number four, fighting spirit. If anybody gets in your way, you'll need to be prepared to show that you're going to fight for it. Come to my face and tell me I can't do something. If you stand in the way of what I want in life, I'm going to f you up. Now, you don't have to physically say that out loud, but you do have to think that in your mind when things get tough. These four techniques are a skill that you must learn in order to be able to believe in yourself. The people who will criticize and doubt you, let them. At the end of the day, it's those guys that won't be achieving anything with their lives. And you will be on the path to success and fulfillment in life. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. You'll be able to download my free ebook right here, and you can follow me on social media right there. But on a closing note, guys, the only person's opinion that should matter is yours. To hell with the haters, the doubters, the critics. The real question is, do you believe in yourself? In fact, that's the only question you need to ask. Trying to get into character of this guy, what would a typical guy say? I live in Buckinghamshire and I drive a Jaguar. Spectacles, testicles, wallet and watch. That's how I remembered it. 10 points for anyone who can actually quote the name of the film I got that from.